Hidden beneath the overgrown landscape of Sheerness lies a forgotten piece of British military history. Built to defend against foreign invasion, Centre Bastion was once a vital part of the nation's coastal defences. Today, it stands abandoned, its tunnels and gun emplacements left to decay. In this video, we'll explore what remains of this once formidable fortification, uncovering its secrets and diving into its history. Centre Bastion was part of the Sheerness defences, built in the mid-19th century to protect the Royal Navy dockyard from attack. As the tensions with European powers grew, fortifications like this were constructed along the coast to deter invasion. Equipped with heavy guns and reinforced with thick walls, this bastion was a crucial element in Britain's defence strategy. But like many other fortifications of its time, it eventually became obsolete with the advancement of military technology.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Unseen Britain. After my last video of the Isle of Sheppey, a guy called Ben dropped me a text message saying, listen mate, there's a cool place in Sheerness and it's called the Centre Bastion. So that's the reason why I'm here today. And a big shout out to Ben for sharing the location with me. I didn't want to film the entry point because this place is loaded with CCTV for whatever reason. But here I am now, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And I guess let's not wait any longer. Come join me and let's explore it. So as you already seen from a drone footage, we got three massive buildings here. So here's one, here's two, and here's the third one. My biggest question here, if I can get to the top floor of each of them. And I think I should start from this one. Let's have a look inside. So the first thing I've noticed here, the ceiling. Look at the height of it. It's like 5 meters tall. Crikey. And we got two doors which are bricked up. This is the door number one and door number two here. They both lead to the outside world. And we also got a couple of windows here with the bars on them. So nothing too interesting. Two doors, two windows, and whatever that is. Could have been a shelf. Is it wood or concrete? Wood. There's a couple of wooden shelves here and a tiny fireplace. Wow. Look at these metal beams here. Those are decent ones, aren't they? I'm just thinking, is there any way to get to the top floor of it? Let's go and have a look. Now it has to be some way there. It has to be some other way to get there. Has to be some ladder or something. Or the ladder was there somewhere. You see the metal bits sticking out the wall. Possibly. I assume the stairs or whatever it was used to access the upper floors, it was removed due to safety reasons. But I already thought of a plan B. Not today, not tomorrow, but I have a good idea. But let's carry on. Well, this one looks way easier to get inside. So welcome to building number two. We've got a couple of windows here. And I believe the staircase should be some shit. Really? There's nothing here. So how am I going to get on top of it then? Let's have a look at the graffitis we got on the walls. 1971. What else we got? We got some phone numbers. We got more graffitis from 2016, 2014. Some nonsense writing on a wall. This place was visited by a lot of people. Well, no surprise, the staircase is bricked up. Well, the good thing is that them buildings here are connected by underground tunnels, which are about there. So let's look around. If we can't get any access to the top floors, that means we'll go under the ground. I found this hole in the wall. Let me show you something. Look how deep down it goes. Wow. Alright, let's go and see what the underground tunnels have for us today. I've seen few entrances here, so that little one, that one, or this one. Okay, we're inside. Well, we have this little wooden frame for whatever reason. I'm just wondering, what is it for? But never mind. Let's carry on here and see what we got. We've got kind of room here for storage, maybe. Who knows? And of course, a bunch of spiders, just like any other underground structure. Looks interesting, huh? And we have a wall which was supposed to be bricked up, but never mind, we're getting through this. Look at this kind of thing. What's it for? It's a wooden thing with some metal bits sticking out. Obviously I can't move it, but look. What if we go further down and see what else is here? Nothing. Just another wall. Well, look at the light. We still have some remains of ventilation. Top and bottom, obviously. But is this a bricked up wall? Can't tell. Or is this the original end of it? So this tunnel looks a bit more longer than the previous one. Let's go and have a look how far we can get. We got some rubbish, some bricks. That's normal. Is that what I think it is? You know what it is, guys? This is actual lift to lift the munitions up to the gun positions. Can you believe that? It's not even an engine. Look, it's manual. Not a chance. It's all rusty. But look at this. It's just simply unbelievable. Look at this piece of history here. Look, this thing's still got a chain on it. Yeah, exactly. And this is, ladies and gentlemen, a lift to get all the munitions to the gun positions above us, way above us. Very interesting stuff. So this is where you put artillery shell and send it all the way up to the gun positions above us. As you can see, the ceiling's coming apart little by little. That's why we got pieces of brick on the floor, as well as this one. Look. Unbelievable. Well, I wasn't expecting to see this kind of thing here, but it's very nice, isn't it? All right, let's go back to the surface and look around if we can find anything else here. What's this one here? I think I can see a door or something like that. Do you think I will fit through this one? No, there's nothing special about it. It's just another room, just like the other ones there. I'm out of breath. I'm a bit frustrated because I can't get up there. Let's have a look inside this little room. Let's take a closer look. Let's take a closer look here. I'm just wondering what these hooks are for here. You see, they're proper solid metal hooks. It had a door and a little window. I think the window still got original frame. Yeah, definitely. It's a wooden frame. Just coming apart and a pile of rubbish. Looks like it was flooded before. Just imagine. This place must be at least like a couple of 100 years old. Amazing piece of history, huh? Alright, let's get outside. And the other room looks exactly the same. This was definitely a storage or something. Can't be barracks, can't be, I don't know. Well, my bet is this was a storage room for munitions, and they were taking down this tunnel to send it up to the gun positions. This is my theory. Well, if you know exactly what the room was for, let me know in the comments. It really frustrates me to see the doors open on the upper floor and I have no access to it. Wow, there will be another video for sure where I'll come with, let's say, different equipment. I want to take a look at this pillbox. Wow, that looks nice and cozy. And of course it's facing the sea. Oh blimey, look at the crack of it. Well, they were meant to be strong. No, only joking. It's been many years since this one was built. So this is it, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll be back to this place with the rope, the ladder, no matter what, we're gonna get up there.